Hey guys, William Murfitt here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another video. Today you join me in the garage for an update. It has been a few months now since I've done these, and I kind of want to fill you guys in on what's happening and where I'm up to, what's going on, and what's coming up on the channel.
I know you don't love me like you say you do.
So yeah, content has been a bit few and far between. I got out last weekend with my Mini and managed to put the video together with the help of my good friend Stu. Did a bit of drone footage, a bit of action shots and different camera angles, and had such a great time just driving around and getting out in the countryside, getting the fresh air, and yeah, it was just great. Really enjoyed making that one, and hopefully you guys enjoyed watching it. It's one of the videos that I put a lot of time and effort into making, and if you haven't seen it, I'll leave a link up here somewhere. Just go and check it out, because I really put a lot of time and effort into that one, and yeah, really appreciate you all guys' time and to watch it and your feedback, really. So as you can probably see, that is not a Clubman Estate behind me. That is Luke's Mini, and it needs a lot of work. So it comes to me for a clutch, which has now progressed into a significant amount more. But it doesn't matter, I'm really enjoying getting into it. What it does mean though is I'm trying to focus my attention on getting the work done, and then I'm going to edit the stuff later. I've got some videos already filmed. I've got a couple of memory sticks full of data that I just haven't had time to sort of stop and get things checked over, edited, etc. So videos will be coming on this very soon, and yeah, I just need to try and find the time to get the car done and get it back to Luke, and then I can take the time to sort of sit down and do the editing. What's happened in the garage then? I've had a bit of a tidy up. You probably can't tell, but I had to get the estate out of the garage and get this in. In order to tidy up, I had to sort of get rid of quite a few bits and pieces, move some bits and pieces elsewhere. I've been digging in the garden to extend my shed, and that's now going to be used once it's cemented and extended as a sort of storage facility for, well, all that over there. Engines, boxes of bits, wheels, tyres, so I can get access to both cars nice and easily. At the moment, if I want to get into the brown Mini, I've got to get the front door open, I've got to walk around, I've got to get it out, close the back door down, whereas actually I'd quite like to just be able to walk up to it, get something from the car, walk away. So yeah, that's that. That's pretty much it for in here. I've ordered myself a few new tools, so they've arrived. First of all is a crankshaft oil seal tool, and that is the sealing tool for the clutch. Kind of gives you an indication of what's going to come on this car here. The other thing is I bought myself a dent puller, or a sort of glass holder. One of the jobs I have coming up is on my mother-in-law's car. She has a Peugeot 407 SW, possibly. Then the window's broken in the rear. So last week I took the time to strip it down, and it has a motor with a wire running system to the top and bottom. The bottom wire had snapped off and the top wire had become tangled, which sort of stopped the window going up. So what my intention was to get a big sucker holding the glass up so I could take the motor out. What I ordered was a sucker, and what's arrived is, well, this. If you can compare that to the size of my hand, yeah, it kind of works. Just wasn't what I was expecting. So yeah, that's a bit annoying. The other thing I've ordered is a heavy-duty clutch puller from Guessworks. I took the time to laminate the instruction manual because I don't want to get this damaged, really, because I want to make sure that I can keep this all nice and fresh. Took a while to arrive, just due to sort of parts being out of stock, but this is a blooming good piece of kit. So that's the puller itself. You've got the threaded bar that goes on to release it off. And in here you've got the bolt kits for different styles of clutch. and there's also a bolt that goes onto the flywheel as well. So yeah, loads of nice little tools and stuff to get in the garage. I'm trying my best to make a small collection of classic car tools, or specifically mini tools that maybe the average garage probably won't have, so that I can then do some jobs on my own, give it more involved jobs. So that clutch pillar is obviously for the engines over there. I did buy it for this, but then once I bought it, I then found out that you couldn't use it in situ. You had to get the engine out. So bit of a pain, but yeah, that Guessworks puller, I am told, is the absolute dogs. So yeah, if you're looking for top quality kit, that is where to go. The oil seal tool was from Mini Spares, and the pathetic sucker was from eBay. So yeah, time in the garage for me has been limited, as I keep saying. My work is ramping up. I'm working 9 to 5 or 8 to 5. I've got my 2 kids, wife, so family life is hectic. We're currently on a lockdown here in Flintshire, North Wales. So that's everything is sort of getting a little bit out of control of just timings and stuff, and it's all a bit crazy. But we're doing our best to stay safe. We're doing our best to sort of keep ourselves to ourselves, and yeah, just keep out of trouble. And hopefully gonna get some more content to you guys coming soon. I've had a few lockdown projects on the go, one of which is in the garden, not quite finished. I've got another one over there which is also in the garden, which is not finished. I've got this is now my new lockdown project, which isn't finished. I've got the estate that's back out on the drive, which I promise, and I promise to you, as soon as this is in, this is done and gone, the estate will come into the garage. I will remove the subframes, I will put it on the jig, and I will start work on that estate. I know I've been saying this for a long time, and I must apologise for that, but I need to make sure that my priorities are in the right place with family and work and stuff. So while I really enjoy getting out here and doing bits and pieces, I just need to make sure that, yeah, I've got a roof over my head, I've got food on the table, and the family are happy, healthy, and loving life. And all my money isn't spent on a car that potentially my wife doesn't actually like. So yeah, that's kind of where I am at the moment. The estate's not started again. This is getting work done to it, but I haven't had time to edit the footage yet. But that will be coming soon. And I'm going to try my best to get one video out a week, just in the meantime while things are up in the air. So hopefully you guys are going to stick around. Which kind of leads me on to the next point, which I'm kind of going to leave as the last point really. It's just a massive thank you to everyone that subscribed to the channel thus far. I've had just over 2,130 subscribers, which just blows my mind. So just thank you to each and every one of you. Really appreciate that. And hopefully that number can continue to grow. I've got loads of cool things in the pipeline. Once the lockdown rules are lifted, I've got some cars lined up to do some reviews on. I'm going to do some more sort of cinematic type shots. I need to get out on my bike some more, and just try and love life and just live life to the absolute max. So I just wanted to thank everyone for coming along this journey this far, and hopefully continue to grow on this journey with me. And all being well, we're going to get out the other side of this coronavirus, and yeah, hope to see you all at some shows in the future. I'm not going to say near future because I have no idea how long it's going to last for, but I'm going to leave this video here. I thought I'd give you all an update of where things are at and what's happening, and just thank you all for your continued support. So if you have enjoyed the content, as always, click that thumbs up button, comment down below, and if you haven't done so already, please consider becoming a subscriber to the channel, and also ding that bell so you'll get notified every time I upload. That's it from me. I will see you guys next time. Stay safe, and I will see you guys soon.